In this video, I will show you how you can balance the all-new Zhiyun Smooth 5 to get perfect results. Hey, what's up guys, Julian from SmartphoneFilmmakingPro.com here, the ultimate online course about smartphone filmmaking. And when you got your all-new shiny Zhiyun Smooth 5, the first thing that you need to learn is how you can balance it to get the perfect results. Because when you're not balancing your smartphone gimbal, then it might still be working, but then the motors have to work way harder, then the shots will be less perfectly smooth, and overall it's not good for the gimbal. So always when you're using your gimbal, make sure to get it balanced perfectly. And luckily with the Zhiyun Smooth 5, this is a pretty simple process, and yeah, I would actually say let's hop into it and let's see how it works. So first off, when you get your shiny new Zhiyun gimbal, it will probably be locked. At the back here there is a little button where you can lock all the axes, which is perfect when you're transporting your gimbal. But when we're actually using it, it is important to unlock this. So I did this already, and yeah, here you have a little clamp, and in this clamp you can spread in your phone. And this is exactly what I'm gonna do right now. And if I release it, you can see that my phone is falling to the left. And here at the back we have a little screw, and there we can slide the gimbal to the right and also to the left. And since the phone is falling to the left, I need to slide it to the right to compensate this. So slide it even a little more. This was too much, so now it's falling onto the right side, so I'm sliding it back just a little bit. So now it stays in its position, and when you found the position where it actually stays in its position, then you just need to tighten the screw. And that's basically it. So the goal is, when you are balancing the Zhiyun Smooth 5, but basically any smartphone gimbal, is that the phone stays in its position without falling over, even if you have not turned on the gimbal yet. So yeah, this is looking really good. No matter how I turn it, it stays in its position. So I'll now turn it on. So now the gimbal is turned on, and as you can see, this is working all good and all perfect. So this is actually how you can balance the Zhiyun Smooth 5. It's as simple as that. In case you're using something like add-on lenses, you will have to slide this even further to the right, but that's basically how it always works. In case you guys have any further questions, make sure to let me know. And in case you guys would like to learn how to professionally film with your smartphone, then I have some good news for you, because we have created a totally free webinar for you, which is 30 minutes long, and it's jam-packed with value. Inside of the webinar, I shared the top 5 secrets to shooting cinematic videos with your smartphone. So in case you are interested in that, just click the first link below that like button and sign up for free. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I hope you got some value out of it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.